Today's daily thought's about recipes. Now, recipes are usually thought of as a set of directions for making a food or beverage, and they offer information like a list of ingredients, the number of servings that's made, the cooking methods, the temperature, the time, the type of container, how to do things, and the whole bit, really. But the curious thing is, if we were to have 10 people that wanted a cake, and we gave the same instructions to those 10 people and said, go and bake the cake, you'd probably get one person who said, well, I like eating the cake, but I can't be bothered. And the other 9 may all make cakes using the same recipe, but it would be unlikely that any 2 cakes would be the same. There may be some that look the same, there may be some that even taste the same, but they would all be different in some way. They would either look a little bit different, or they would have a different texture, or have a little bit of different taste. So why is that? It goes beyond that as well, because when we take the recipe for something else, for example, a successful advertising campaign, I have on several occasions taken what I've found to be a really successful campaign, and I've offered students the same advert, instructions of where to put it, how to use it, and all they need to really get the same results that I get. But I've found that if I give that recipe to 10 people, probably one is going to say, well, I want the results, I want to make more money, I want to sell more products, but I can't be bothered doing all that. And the other 9, although they apply the recipe, get vastly different results, and seldom do they get any results that equal my result. So why is it? And my only conclusion in testing this many times is that it comes down to the intent with which that is placed, the intent from using the recipe. And I've found that when I build in the instructions for the intent, the success rate increases for most people. Some people think, oh, that's nonsense, and they just want to get through it as quickly as possible, and they get the worst results. But intent is so important. And if you intend, when you place an ad, to be of service, if you intend to share love, it makes a massive difference in the way that ad is received, even though it may look the same on a person's web browser or in their newspaper. It may sound strange, but I believe the intent and the sharing of love is what makes the difference. Benjamin Franklin said, what is the recipe for successful achievement? Choose a career you love, okay? Love is in there. Give it the best there is in you. Don't be lazy. Want to be of service. Service and love. Seize your opportunities and be a member of the team. And I think that's good advice for us all. God bless.